Ninth class. Now here we'll talk about the trends of the atomic radius in the periods and the groups. So let's start from the period first. When we move from left to the right in the periods, although the atomic number increases, yet the size of the atom decreases gradually. Class, when we move from left to the right in the periods, the atomic number actually decreases gradually within the periods, although the atomic number increases. Now class, what is the reason that why the atomic radius decrease when we move from left to the right in the periods? Now class, here we'll discuss about the reasons in detail. So here it is because with increase of the atomic number, the effective nuclear charge increases gradually because of the addition of more and more protons in the nucleus. On the other hand, the addition of the electron takes place in the same shell. Shell do not increase. There is gradual increase of the effective nuclear charge which increase due to the addition of the proton. This pulls down or contracts the outermost shell towards the nucleus. For example, the atomic size in the period 2 decreases from lithium to the neon. Now class, the first one reason is the increase in the effective nuclear charge. Now class, what is mean by effective nuclear charge? The net positive charge experienced by the electron due to the proton is known as effective nuclear charge. Now class, when we move from left to the right in the period, you can see that the atomic number increases gradually. Atomic number actually refers as the number of proton. Now class, as an atomic number increases, it means that the number of protons increases, and due to the increase in the number of proton, the effective nuclear charge also increases. Now class, due to the increase in the atomic number, the effective nuclear charge increases when we move from left to the right in the periods. Now class, at the same time, as you know that the number of protons is equal to the number of the electrons within the atom. So class, as the atomic number increases, it means the number of proton increases. At the same time, the number of electron also increases. But in that condition, the addition of the electron takes place in the same shell. It means shell do not increase. So the second one reason of decrease of the atomic radius within the period is that the number of the shells remains same. It means that the addition of the electron takes place in the same valence shell do not increase. Now class, in that condition, when the gradual increase of the effective nuclear charge takes place due to the increase in the number of proton or the addition of the proton. Now class, in that condition, nucleus actually contracts the outermost shell towards itself much strongly. Now class, when the nucleus contract or attract the outermost shell towards itself strongly, now class, in that condition, the atomic radius of the elements when we move from left to the right in the periods decreases gradually. Now class, here we will consider the examples. So look at this. Here we will consider the elements of the period number 2. So class, here the first one element is the lithium having 3 atomic number. The second one is the beryllium having 4 atomic number. The third one is the boron having 5 atomic number. Carbon with the 6 atomic number, nitrogen with the 7 atomic number, oxygen with the 8, fluorine with the 9, and the neon with the 10 atomic number. Class, you can see that there will be the gradual increase in the atomic number takes place in the periods. Now class, here we will consider the lithiums. Class, lithium having 3 atomic number, it means 3 electrons are present. Now class, in that condition, the lithium having atomic radius 152 picometer. Now class, when we move from lithium to the beryllium, now beryllium having atomic number 4, it means that the atomic number increases, and due to the increase in the atomic number, it means that number of proton increases. At the same time, the number of electron also increases. Now class, the number of electron that increases takes place in the same valence shell. It means shell do not increase. At the same time, the number of proton increases, and the number of proton increase the effective nuclear charge. It means that the nucleus actually contract the outermost shell towards itself much strongly. Now class, look, come towards the last one member, and here this is the neon. Now class, neon having 10 atomic number, it means that 10 protons are present, and at the same time the 10 electrons are present, and the addition of the electron takes place in the same shell. It means shell do not increase. At the same time, the number of proton increase the effective nuclear charge, and due to the increase in the effective nuclear charge, the nucleus contract the outermost shell towards itself much strongly. Now class, the atomic radius of the neon is 69. And class, when we compare the first element with the last element of the second period, so the lithium having 152 atomic radii, and when we move from left to the right in the periods, so the last one element neon having atomic radius 69. It means that atomic radius decreases when we move from left to the right in the periods due to the increase in the effective nuclear charge and due to the same number of the shells.